Alright, children, let's see what we can do here. See about getting some type of something done here. So we'll go right in the center. Motherfuck, did you see that? I hope I didn't just break my fucking leg, because that will fucking suck. Let's go back to the heat. I don't know what damage I did, but that hurt so much I feel like puking. Oh my god. So, while that's heating, I freaking missed the top of the thing. It came right down and hit me right in the knee. I hope it's on film, because I'll show that as a separate freaking video to show you what it's like to freaking not be smart. Oh my god, that hurts. Alright, hold tight. Back to the heat. That hurts so much I feel like puking.